Good morning, my name is Sangeeta Yadav. I am going to talk about my project on the title A Study on Inventory Management in NPI Instruments and Equipments Private Limited at Chennai. First of all, we can know about the inventory. Concept of inventory. An inventory can be broadly defined as the stock of goods, commodities or other economic resources that are stored, reserved at any given period of time for future production or for meeting future demands. Then classification and inventory. Inventory can be divided in two classes, depends on the nature and purpose and from industry to industry. Direct inventories. It includes those items which play a direct role in manufacturing and become an integral part of finished goods. The inventories are as follows. Enable raw material inventory, work in process inventories and finished goods inventory. Indirect inventories. Indirect inventories include those items which are necessary for manufacturing but do not become component of the finished production, such as platinum dish, pipette, test tubes, platinum tongs and maintenance materials. Then we can talk about the objectives of inventory control. The inventory control is highly significant function because it consists a substantial portion of total current assets of a firm. It minimizes the investment in inventories to ensure that the value of material consumed is minimum, to provide scientific control, to protect from losses, to reduce surplus stocks. Then important concept in inventory control, the carrying or holding inventory cost. These costs are associated with holding a given level of inventory on hand and vary with the level and length of time inventory is held. Then we can talk about in company profile. The New Venus Industries was founded in 1977. From the year of 2010, it changed NBI Instruments and Equipments Private Limited. NBI Instruments and Equipments have become one of the leading scientific apparatus manufacturers. For more than 3 decades, they are manufacturing the routinely used laboratory glassware apparatus, instruments and equipments. They are pioneers in manufacturing of glass components, industrial glass units and system of customers' specific design. Now we can see about the objectives of the project. The primary objective is the objective is to minimize the investment in inventory by exercising selective inventory control techniques. Then secondary objective is to study and analyze the performance in inventory management of NBI Private Limited. Then second, to review the system of inventory model and reorder level of raw materials. Then third, to find out the economic order quantity for cutting tools and consumables. Then fourth, to determine the optimum level of safety stock for cutting tools and consumables and to fix reorder point. Then scope of the study. The industry in various sectors has grown considerably and consequently the working capital blocked up in inventories has also gone up. With rapid modern development management, various effective tools and techniques have been involved for efficient management of inventory. The study aims at assessing the overall profitability, liquidity and stability of organization. Further, the study is also aimed at future scope of the organization with respect to inventory. We are going to talk about our last topic, that is a conclusion. The conclusion is made that is inventory control means the availability of raw material of right quantities coordinated with the lead time. Each and every component of inventory is important and managing the inventory to keep in an optimal level is a must. Being an auto ancillary industry, NBI Instruments and Equipments is facing a stiff competition. Since the inventory is a major part of their cost of production, there is a need for inventory control by way of reducing cost and optimal utilization of materials. Though the company is having certain policies regarding this, still it requires through the study of their policies and systems to some extent to understand the inventory management. So it's very important for every organization or industry to have a proper control on their inventory, to have continuous production and continuous production, and it should not have any stockouts, and then only the company can make a profit. And today's competitive world, every company needs a place in the market, so it needs a proper control over its inventories. Thank you.